everybody is just really excited to see how they can make it work for them, how they can make it work for their teaching style, and how they're using technology, because everybody's going to use it in a different way. So if I am constantly using EZWrite and I'm using slides, there might be a teacher down the hall who has a different way of doing things and is utilizing different apps. So it's just cool to learn from each other and have the opportunity to see what other people are doing as well.
And that's what I love, is that you're going to find the way that's smooth, that works for your style, and works best for you. But I really like having everything like on the board so that I'm like always there. I don't have to go find anything. I don't have to go back to a desktop somewhere. I don't have to go. It's just all at the ready for me on the board so that I can stay in front of the class, so I can be looking at the students, so I don't have to be distracted by finding something in a file somewhere. It lets me teach in the style that fits me.
I'm a newer teacher. I graduated in 2020, so this is my 4th year teaching. I love technology and I love using technology in the classroom, and I know the benefits of technology. With BenQ, I felt like I was able to take what I was already doing and amplify my slides, amplify how I'm able to transition between using my dot camera that I love and the BenQ and go back and forth. BenQ has allowed me to teach my way.